Okay.
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Not again.
about 15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe
Not
thunderstorm
again.
was located 4 miles north of Lillington, moving
Please
south
don't
at
do
10
this
miles
again.
per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lillington, Angier, Raven Rock State Park, and Bowie's Creek.
They're going down. And boom. What the crap?
County through 4 power. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could damage trees and blow around unsecured objects.
Is this the alert?
Locations impacted include Lillington, Angier, Coates, Raven Rock State Park, and Bowie's Creek. Get outdoors. Consider
Okay, nope.
seeking shelter.